Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted another Autowatch Ghost 2 on a really lovely 2019 Porsche Macan. Customers a bit paranoid about them obviously cloning a key and trying to start it. So we fitted this system. So how the system works, if someone was to grab his keys, jump in and try and start it, this is what would happen. So key in. Put the key in, try and start it. Put on the brake. It will start and cut out. There you go, vehicle will start and cut out. Okay, so every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, basically ignition on, go through a push sequence. On here we've done something very basic, so 1, 2, 3, 4, indicator flash, and start the vehicle. There you go, really clever, really straightforward. If the customer wants to do a code change, the way he would do that on this particular vehicle, I know it's going to be very difficult because I'm actually holding a phone. So basically, first of all, ignition on, go through his disarm. So 1, 2, 3, 4, get a double flash, and then somehow try and hold the full beam back and put the code in again. Oh, I don't know if I'll be able to do that. So basically how you would do it is hold the full beam back and then repeat the same code, then the indicator will start to flash. Also, if the customer wanted to put it into valet mode, the way he would do that is really simple. So ignition on, insert his push sequence, so 1, 2, 3, 4, double flash from the indicators, and then he would hit the driver's button up 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then get 5 flashes from the indicators. There you go. When he gets the vehicle back, all he basically does is basically ignition on and just insert the code and then get a double flash and it'll come out. So let's just do that now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, double flash. There you go. And it's now out of valet mode. Let's just start the vehicle. Okay, apologies why I couldn't do a code change. Reason being is on normal cars you just have to put your foot on the accelerator. On this one here I have to hold the full beam, also have to hold the phone, so it's really difficult to do. If you need to check it, just go onto any of our other videos on Porsches or Range Rovers and just refer to, rather than having your foot down the accelerator, holding the full beam back. Hope you found this quick video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 028 906 0478, 028 906 0478. Thank you very much. Bye bye.